Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to turn off Vanish mode on your Instagram chat and how to do this up. And if you're for the first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel so you'll be getting much more tips and tricks like this daily. So let's move to the workaround. So what you have to do is, as you can see right now, I'm on the Vanish mode on the particular Instagram. So if you wanted to turn this off, all I have to do is very simple. Just do like this. You just have to keep your hands and throw it away at the top so that it will be changed to the normal. And if you wanted to do this, you have wanted to enable it the Vanish mode once again, just do the same once again. Just you have to do like this so that you will be back to the Vanish mode. So this is how you can do this up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Happy day.